practice how to create a wrap typography effect in Canva. Start by adding your chosen image to a new design. With the image selected, go to Edit and find the Magic Wrap tool. Use it to select and separate the main object from its background. Next, go to the Apps section and search for the Typecraft app. Open it and type your text. Change the text font and color as needed. Then, click Custom Warp Effect. For the wrap effect, choose the bender's warp type. Here, you can move the anchor points to curve your text. Adjust until you are satisfied, then click Add to Design. Duplicate this curved text layer. Select the duplicate, go back to Edits. Change the text color and adjust its anchor point in the opposite direction to create depth. Click Update Design to apply the changes. Now, go to Position and arrange the layers. Place your image layer between the two text layers. Your wrap typography design is now complete.